The guy has gone too far. I have not wronged this guy in any way.
Martha Ankomah, we are almost
this guy has never met me before. He's not even called me for any project.
Any story for baby change, you know, say over chest mode. Now after money young.
The fact that he's even lying to people, that he's come to court or back court 2 times, was sorting me out. Any idiot can go to court and all that. And yet he said a lot of ill things about me. I will be trying to say only my lawyer if we court. They are trying, and he knows what he has done. Or approaching me, some of the son of a catcher.
Abusia, Samuel Kaya, 8 February 2024. Na GHOne cancer Lil Win. Ebe saw camera edidi Martha Ankomah tem sister yo da screen so ankono so de ompe no hansemu. Enso GHOne cancer amfa na ni anto edidi sister ya tempa frefre ne nsema kese e wo video no me ye sure se wan video ni bi e wo internet ne so.
We start bay. Oba mponimu oba mponimu. O ma me mpo be hwe yasno. O ma me hwe. O ma me hwe stol esre oba mpo hwe. Na wo hwana hwe. Me ma me mponimu. Me ma nyina nimu asa Martha Ankomah. Oka funcha data kesese. Ese wo siba me na twa.
Ene ofire sister na sister ne nsema GHOne cancer Lil Win kire se wakoka ne se director bia na efe no director Fifi Gabin efe ono Martha Ankomah se opeso ode ni eye adwuma ma ye Martha Ankomah koka se ono mpeso ni Kumawood fo be ye adwuma efise ono no ohu se Kumawood enye sini papa bia na omutwa me no nam so GHOne cancer be fire sister didi natem na sister ne hwe video ni bi no ana anye ne de na okobo ne lawyer mane mo omutabli asem no edeko Accra High Court se wasi GHOne cancer Lil Win 5 million Ghana cedi na ofirimu fi a odibesu nyansa na ni adwen se asem no eto atwa na enano that 31 July 2024 na etwam no ana Accra High Court no efre asem no ehwe sanke ye betoto asem no babia no kore da no ye de ato na entiani amadebo chirimu se GHOne cancer Lil Win ene lawyer de omampiem e wa Accra High Court da na ye efre asem no de omampiem e wo wana so mama na Martha Ankomah ene lawyer ane piemu e wo ho na ohwemfuni abonse Martha Ankomah ene lawyer na ejina ho ebra court no eponye na after court no echi no ana news bi ebeto odwa kire mu se Martha Ankomah lawyer aka kire jeje ne se GHOne cancer Lil Win ababe hu no se asem no omunyi emra fie nti adwoberew emra na eno nenam so ma Martha Ankomah ne kwasi aboaje atwetwe nkomo kire se asem no ente sa GHOne cancer Lil Win asem ni si ye kura no frɛ no ebie mu nso no onum GHOne cancer Lil Win onum ni nipa ban ne suban kura se ne abrante no kura otie asem no de edaso wokota enche bi ombesan akokɔ to biem na 5 million Ghana cedi na oje GHOne cancer one de no Kristo ni obeji ne ochena na de je enso ka ho a asem no yenkotie Martha Ankomah nsem ni bi emra ne ba yato aso before be kotie Martha Ankomah nsem ni bi ede aban mekanfo Caristic Company Limited omunru e friend Zarme Shane Zaraje capsule so the amount infection bacteria bi abeji ni pedua na kenten so ba idun fi twekwa chi a wayati tumi kauti pains wo menstruation cycle mu afidua num bro no so obi atumi te nka kwaji mpanimfo nru bi infertility or prostate problems oba entrama odepua enka scent emma enka emma wase kwaji mpanimfo nru bi hindi eba mesha eba malaria fever typhoid diabetes so blood pressure ne yade typhus wadru eno no zaman capsules eye memedru ebesisi yade sexual weakness low sperm counter wadru ene zaman capsules edru FD ahwem ade atum se eye opendu etu akofomase herbal stores a unsabeke mpanimfo nru bi ebusia yenya musia ne nkoti Martha Ankomah nsem ne bi emra
no one obi sending me link na me hu say Ghana web e posti say your friend is saying ye asem ne free court nti me hu na me wan say say guy na approach me and I'm say want to mean can be via enye no kre what you say nipa we on approach me nti I wonder where the story is coming from nti me catch on say me for mucho adia enye no kre die mama ye nka na e CP public no because I said any of the should be reading into details or read the caption for people say ampa asem the crowd when na kokasa crime yi asem no but entisa it time asem see here from day one me crowd bra we say me wan person asem me follow my story but mo bia kwa asem me for me side of the story omo beji matem na beji matem mo studio ho beji matem mo social media ni bibia eko what you say. But what say a friend saying sometimes you just have to let things go. Not at the right time, maybe maybe when you look right. The truth of the matter is on approaching me, some of the son of the culture on approaching me in one day of the story, but Gentia assembly looking and say, Wama opinion be and as an opinion for what opinion for be trying stay on only me lawyer and the assembly free court. They are trying. But if you are trying, doesn't mean that it is what it is. What they are saying. He has to do the right thing. And he knows what he has done. What they are saying. He knows. I think he may follow interviews. One casapo be one no cry after the interview with the director. Obi sa director no say Sana Martha Ankomah kan ya na meboa. Director no say Debbie meboa na no was that video no. That now your interview no meboa na. The director said that's not what he said. That's what the conversation I had with him. Into one say, I think the guy has gone too far. He's done a lot of harm, a lot of damage to my image. I have not wronged this guy in any way. As a matter of fact, this guy has never met me before. He's not even called me for any project. The fact that he's even lying to people, that he's come to court, or back court 2 times, was sorting me out. Any idiot can go to court and all that. And yet then, he said a lot of ill things about me. And yes, we are Christian, you just have to forgive. It's very difficult. But the right thing has to be done. And what is the right thing? He knows what is the right thing. And the fact that Oka said, I mean, no, Brakwesi. Assembly here, our court.
Okay.
In free court here.
Okay.
Assembly in free court here.
Okay.
Then you be a standing to be the best system. Then you be a ubi MBA nano enkasa rough. Say, oh yes, what is expected of him as a citizen of this land. And I say, oh yes, me was say onya, me nipa. The fancy a Christian. Even ya, your pastor, the Bible say, if you are your bomb pile, then you should, before you ask God for forgiveness, you should do what? Forgive those who have done what? Trespass against you. Yes. But he has to do what is right.
Okay.
Now, Bibia will use the Okaye Biara. Bibia will use the Waye Biara, will use the Mioneme Casada. Ultimate chance, what's on the Sona Casaji in Trona, which can be a man called for chance, what's on the Brakwesi. You were there, I watched you. Or be quiet, be my temem or your audios or your soundtrack that was it. Wana. Or Marco for big my temp. A granting interviews and you're serious. A man go for free Nigeria F. Bremen. Say, Makokama, or catch you all and I say, me to movie crying. Yes, this guy went too far. Meanwhile, he's never met me before. As a matter of fact, I go into details, sir. I have been good to him before when he has never met me before. So, I wouldn't want to talk too much. The matter is in court. If he should do what is expected of him,
okay, so I didn't mean to be a person cancer. Needy kind, I mean, I'm sure said it will never be my style. Put station senior Yantitia, Sabia, me Macquine will be made you attempt keke no uncle. Yes, you did beam fry and friend, you would beam. Say Ebia, a family suka crass and KB and Cassia Fro. Na asem the buy no. And GHOne saying the fatchame, but attempt dear. Say, I know dear, it will not be a yes, sir, and a tea. I want to say,
and you now, say, I mean, Sister TV, or Casa fine, never fast socket, or Casa fine, Sister Winnie, a Casa fine. Oh, a binum by a Casa fine, a binum so Casa me bomb with the rapidly. Casa now, we crack, Nicoya, Miss Sister, we integrity. Oh, rapidly, they be a many sweetheart. Into the sweetheart with Nipo and Femi, in Sammy say, oh, I send me a boy is working, a yampa, I say in yampa. What you say?
Yeah.
But one said there's always 2 sides to a story. Ghana for the brain, Nana or Moonim, I send me into details, no, or Muji, and no Moonim, no. But it's all good. But what I can say is rapidly, I send me the our court.
Okay.
Say, boy, me, and you was a onya.
Okay.
That's simple.
Okay.
The big court is about we see. Oh, Femi, I may answer call no. Well, bones are some make sure way am pa. You see, anyama way na akoso. I say na eden a free court. Anyone no.
Okay. Bibi kakra.
Me paso, my ninja o me lawyer ewo. So banity o assistant so person me kasa me paso ye friend me me jane kakra.
Mati, maminja. Ya da se pa iwe.
Mati. Ba pe me paso me da se pa wai.
Awusiana Martha Ankomah ensem ne bi eno no na sister echire mu so no onim kwadwo nkansa Lil Win na asem no kora no se bia buru mpanimfo bi kora san frefre no kora wachira ono no wayi nani atofiri se ono de kwan bia so no besi kwadwo nkansa Lil Win se ne asem ne ewo court ne de enya de obi nene efisa brante na keke ensem bibiri kora na so no kora aka so anhwe be ye ensem foforo ebie mu so kwadwo nkansa Lil Win enkan hu so no Martha Ankomah ebie atwemu a waye ne papa pen ensem eha enti ensem ni nyina no a yabo no tofa ede abro ebekoso ede yani edi Martha Ankomah ni kwadwo nkansa Lil Win ensem na chia no ma ba kora tofo ma nso be fa filisum na nso wahu de ekọ ne de eba before ebekra mo ameyakọ me kan for characteristic company limited in reference is amisha ana zaaje ka so de ama se be infection bacteria bi abeji ni pedua na kenten so ba uni atenka ana se watenka e wachira waduru eno no infertility or prostate problems so ba entrama odi puama enka emma wase edu fiji kwaji obunso wayati to make out fidua no bro no so bi atumi te nka de akwaji mpanifundro bi hindi ya ba misha ba malaria fever typhoid diabetes o blood pressure ne yade tycosura e waduru no zaman capsules e memedru ebesisi alie low sperm count and sexual weakness e wadru no be ma do yede ko mutwi wa girlfriend sister wa minini wo mpaso o person sepe na ne ho ba yie pa ma wa kwaji mpanifundro bi edru FD ahwem age atum se ye open do to akofamasi herbal stores a unsabe company phone bi ye fam dan kwesi prince nyame e yadoma da se na bi de ehye mu yakra